Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the clip and entering voiceover mode. Open Reels, record, or import the footage, then tap the microphone to start. Speak near the mic and keep consistent distance so levels stay steady. You want clarity and balanced volume. Once you hear a good test take, set playback to 1x and note where narration must sync. Practice 1 or 2 short phrases to confirm timing and tone, because clean takes reduce edits later and make your message feel intentional and confident. You now record the main voiceover and focus on synchronization. Press record, speak naturally, and use short pauses so you can trim easily. Longer continuous reads are harder to sync. Once done, inspect the waveform and drag or split segments to match actions or cuts. If something feels off, re-record only that line. Layering a new clip is faster than redoing everything. Make sure transitions sit on visual hits. This keeps pacing tight and helps viewers follow both sound and image together. You finish by balancing levels and exporting confidently. Lower background music so your voice remains dominant, typically around 10 to 15 decibels below narration, and add gentle fades to avoid clicks. If background noise persists, apply a denoise filter or re-record that section. Once mixed, preview at normal and doubled speeds to check comprehension. If sync still drifts, re-record only the offending line or nudge the clip by a fraction of a second, about 100 to 200.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.